Welcome, welcome. So today I'm going to be opening my gift, my birthday gift that I got in October. I just wanted to wait until I finished all of my uni exams, assessment, placement, all of the things which I have, and I have no idea how to function without university life. But that's an existential crisis we'll deal with another day. Getting back to this, when new Pokemon Snap came out earlier this year in April, I really wanted this because it basically allows you to take some photos in the game on your Switch, send it to your phone, you can edit it, put some frames on it, and then print them out so you can physically have the photographs from the game. And it's not just Pokemon. I know you can have like Animal Crossing, Mario Party, Splatoon even, so yeah, very cool. And I'm gonna open it right now. So very keen. I just want to say a super big thank you to my friends, like my IRL friends, because they all pulled some money together and bought it for my 26th birthday. So I really like, I remember like opening that gift box and just going like like I didn't expect it at all. It was the surprises of all surprises. So baie dankie. Ek waardeer dit regtig verskriklik baie. En ek sien uit om dit vir julle vandag te wys. I even got my like actual like mini Instax that I haven't used in a very long time. But yeah, how does it work again? Haha. So very exciting. I'm so keen. Okay. You go over there. Yes. Okay, so let me put this over here so you can see. So first of all, okay, this is going to fall and I'm gonna be very sad. So yeah, good swapsies. Okay, cables, the important stuff. Oh, it's actually a lot larger than I thought. I thought that is a lot larger than I thought. So this is the actual printer, so it doesn't include something like a camera. That's oh, you can also just print normal photos from your phone, and that's the cool thing. So I can just take a normal photograph, so like me in cosplay or something, add a frame and then print it out as if it was taken on a Polaroid camera. All right. So that's where you'd put in the films, and my friends were kind enough to actually include some of the Instax films with this. So that's awesome. Ooh, its light's turned on. It's a little Pikachu light. Oh, so good. Life is good. I've gotten a little bit loopy since I've finished my degree. I'm waiting for results, and then I can get my little certificate that says I'm a speech pathologist. And that whole concept of being at uni since 2014 has turned me a little bit loopy. Okay, so that just says like this is how you install the app. I've already got the app because yeah, you can still use the app without the printer and just decorate photos, and that's just what I've been doing. So I'll show that to you on my actual phone. Like I just have it right there, but you have to connect like Bluetooth and things, and I'll do that after opening all the things. So very exciting. Yeah. Then it has, oh yeah, this is way more massive than I thought. Okay, and we have Pikachu to hold said printer. Now this is a logical collaboration. I was watching the Trash Taste podcast, and they were saying how sometimes Japan has these really weird collaborations with different anime characters, but Pokemon just hits right, and this makes complete sense. You have a photography game. You collaborate with the photography? Oh, this is so good. I love this so much. So we got our camera to take actual photos. We got our printer to print the digital virtual photographs, and I got my Switch to see what I'm gonna print first. And this is just from the actual site, and it just sort of gives you a little bit of an overview. So I do recommend going to this if you do own this or thinking about it, because it does give you a really nice sort of idea of like the type of stuff that you can do. And there's the link for Switch app, and now I'm just gonna go through the connectivity thing so I can actually start printing some photos. Instax, let's do that because that's a photo that I printed for my friends, the ones that actually got this for me. So first I'm going to go on frame print and then select one of the different frames. I'm in Pokemon Snap now, but you can also go Animal Crossing, Mario. And then there's just some like really nice like themed ones like for the holiday season, Christmas, just nice tiled one, rainbow. So we'll take that one, and I've just selected some of the graphics that I did earlier this year of my Mialotic outfit. Actually, maybe not that frame because it actually covers the tail bit, which is like the main part of the whole outfit. And let's select another frame for that. Okay, now I did my edits, happy with the photo, with the frame, everything. Now I'm just going to press the button so it turns back on. And waiting for that to go, the device not connected, but to connect to it. It's connected. And now we're just going to press print. Transferring. Aha, received. The peak of printing power, activate. All right, now let's wait to see what it looks like. If you don't know, you have to, with Polaroids, it actually just prints like that, and you need to wait for it to dry. And there you go, it's finished developing, and I quite like that. I think it's very sweet. Okay, now, as for with the Nintendo Switch, turn my light off. This took me way longer to figure out than it needed to. I was actually like going in Snap and having a look at my different photos, but that's not actually how you do it. You go into your screenshot, so your album. I just downloaded one of Pelipper, and then you go send to smart device, send individually, and then it creates this little QR code. Well, one day it'll create a QR code. Now, let's go back to this, so that's the last photo. We go switch direct print, and that scans. Yep. Join. Sorry, this is really confusing. So there's the switch, there's the phone. And then screenshotting. Okay, transferring the image. I like that. This is step 1, step 2. Amazing. Okay, so now I actually have a little Pelipper photo. Okay, let's try again. Frame print. And it sent it to my phone, so that's pretty cool. It's always an easy way just to actually send it to your phone. Okay, so now we can reposition it. Show you that way around. And press print. And we'll have a look what Pelipper looks like with the snap frame. And this is our boy Pelipper having a great time. It was a good little snapshot. So there you have it. That's how you use the Instax Mini Link photo printer that did the collaboration with Pokemon. I'm really excited to use more of it. I am just so giddy every time I print a photo. I'll like make the frame and then like line up the photo and just be like, oh look, it's printing. I'm really just enjoying it. It's really nice fun, and I'm actually thinking of around Christmas time just to have like lots of like nice themed photographs and make a nice big collage. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch some of my other videos. I'm planning to make lots more Pokemon content in around this like holiday time period. If you like some of my other videos that are not Pokemon related, be sure to leave in the comments below why you like that video, because I can certainly do more of them as well. Thank you and see you next time.